Hey, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. This video is a tutorial on how to paint a seashore with a quote on the top. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below any videos you would like to see from me. So let's get right on with the video. Firstly, I added some masking tape to the borders of my page, and this is optional, but I personally prefer it this way. Next, I mixed together a deep blue with some watercolours, and when you start to paint, then make sure you start from the point where you would like the sky to meet the sea, so that obviously you can tell the difference between, as the sea will obviously be darker. So then after that I carried on painting, gradually getting lighter as I went down. Then I made a star on the sand at the bottom of my page, and for this I used a beige sand colour, as it's the sand from the seashore. Next I went back to the middle of the sea and added a bit, some more darker points just to contrast it a little bit more. Next, I started adding some white paint as the sea foam where the wave breaks. Next, I added some more blue underneath the white paint. Once this was dry, I went in with a darker beige sandy colour and went in the points where there would be shadows. Then I went in with another layer of varying blues to give the painting a bit more depth. Next, I began to paint the sky in a very light blue. Then, once I had added the blue, I went in with some white clouds and some more blue in the background. Afterwards, I added some more contrast in the sand and then also in this sea as well. Once I had finished painting and it was completely dry, I peeled all of the masking tape around the border off. Now that the ocean background is completely finished, we can move on to the quote. So I chose a quote from one of my favourite Jonas Brothers song called Hesitate, which says, "I thank the oceans for giving me you. You saved me once and now I'll save you too. I won't hesitate for you." So I did this quote because obviously it's about the ocean and I think it's also really sweet. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below.